we are focused on designing the physical space for the CDA exam, a critical component of Competency Goal I, which is to establish and maintain a safe, healthy learning environment. The exam will test your ability to not just name interest centers, but to arrange them logically. For instance, a common scenario question will show a classroom layout and ask you to identify a problem. If you see the block center, which is an active and often loud area, placed right next to the quiet library corner, that's your red flag. The CDA is looking for you to separate noisy, active play centers like blocks and dramatic play from quiet, focused work centers like the library, puzzles, and art area. This minimizes distractions and supports the different learning styles and needs of children throughout the day. Let's talk about flow. Exam questions often present problems disguised as child behavior issues. A question might state that children are frequently running into each other or tripping near the sensory table. The answer isn't about disciplining the children, it's about fixing the environment. The most likely issue is that a key traffic path is blocked. You must ensure there are clear, wide pathways between high-traffic areas like the entrance, the bathroom, the main circle time rug, and popular interest centers. A common mistake is placing a bookshelf or an easel in a way that creates a bottleneck. Always look for the environmental cause first. The CDA also heavily emphasizes a child-centered environment. You'll see questions that ask for the best way to organize materials. An answer choice that mentions storing manipulatives in clear bins with picture labels on low, open shelves is far stronger than one that mentions storing them in high cupboards for the teacher to distribute. Children need to be able to access materials independently to foster autonomy. The same principle applies to displaying their work. The correct approach is always to display children's artwork and creations at their eye level, not the adults. This communicates that their work is valued and gives them a sense of ownership and pride in the classroom. An exam trap is to choose an answer that sounds organized but is actually teacher-centric. Another critical dimension is ensuring the environment reflects the diverse cultures of the children and families you serve. A question might ask you to select the most appropriate new items for the dramatic play center. The strongest answer will include things like dolls with various skin tones and hair textures, different types of cooking utensils from various cultures, or books in the library that show diverse families and traditions. This isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a core component of a high-quality learning environment assessed on the exam. To help you remember these key points when you're analyzing a scenario, use the mnemonic paths. P pathways are clear. A areas are separated by activity level. T things are at the child's level. H cultures are represented, and the space is safe and soft. Ask yourself if the classroom in the question follows these paths. Does it have clear pathways? Are the areas for quiet and active play separate? Are things accessible to the children? Are home cultures visible? Is the space safe, with soft elements like rugs and pillows to create a cozy atmosphere? This simple check can guide you to the correct answer every time. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.